Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe. I don't do wiper blades often enough to know them right away. I always find these are a Mensa test. But we're going to start with pulling this up, and we're going to pull it back a little bit more. It sort of feels bad, like you're going to break it or something, but it does come back to a locking position. And then we're going to take the blade part and do the same to that, and it's going to turn out at an angle as well. Now this will just slip right off the end, and we want to make a note of how this went on because we have the new blade that's going to snap right on there. I'm going to take my rag and just clean any dust and dirt off the end of this. I'm going to put that one to the ground, put the new one on. New one comes right in through here, and it snaps back down into place once it's in, like that, and then the whole arm snaps back down. But we're going to pull this back up because we have to pull the plastic protector off the front of this. First thing I did was clean this window so that we can have this blade on a clean window. This is a very simple installation. If you need help with car stereo, speakers, amplifiers, whatever, please see CarStereoHELP.com. I do have a lot of do-it-yourself videos there as well. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.